In this video, I'm going to explain how to draw a straight line approximately equal in length to the circumference of a given circle. Here, this is the given circle. Its radius is equal to 35 millimeter. Okay, this is the center, this is the circle. Okay, using the T rule and set square, draw a vertical line passing through the center point of a circle like this. Okay, then take this point, intersection point, draw a horizontal line passing through this point like this. Okay, then take the diameter length of a circle to the compass here in this way. Okay, then mark the diameter length along this line. Okay, then you have to draw a 30-degree inclined angle to the vertical passing through this point. Okay, then for that one I'm going to use the 60-30 degree set square. Keep the set square like this, then draw a line. Okay, take this intersection point. This angle is equal to 30 degree. Okay, then draw a horizontal line like this. Then join these 2 points. Then this length of a line is equal to the circumference length of a circle. This is how we are drawing a straight line equal to the length of a circumference of a given circle. Okay, let me explain how it equal to the length of a circumference length. Okay, let's take this radius. Okay, let's take this radius as r. Okay, radius as r. Let's mark this point. Let's take this O. Let's take this point as A. Let's take this point as B. Let's take this point as C. Then let's take this point as P, and let's take this point as Q. Okay, then this length is equal to 2r. This length also equal to 2r. This length also equal to 2r. Okay, then this length OA length is equal to r. Then OQ length is equal to this length is equal to this length is equal to r cos 30 degree. R cos 30 degree. Okay, then I will draw QAC triangle separately for this calculation. Let's take this triangle separately. Okay, this triangle is a 90-degree triangle. This angle. Okay, then let's take this point as A. This is C. Then this is Q. Then what is this length? AC length is equal to 6r. 6r. Then what is this length? R plus R cos 30. R plus R cos 30 degree. Then the QC length is equal to, we can write this using the Pythagoras theorem. We can write this equation: QC square is equal to 6r square plus R cos 30 degree into square. Okay, then we can further simplify this one. The QC square is equal to 36 into r square plus here r square plus, you know how to expand this one, 2 r square cos 30 degree plus r square cos square 30 degree. Okay, then you all know cos 30 degree is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, so then I am going to substitute that value also in here. QC square is equal here 37 r square plus 2 r square cos 30 square root of 3 divided by 2 plus r square square root of 3 divided by 2 into square. Okay, so then we can further simplify this one. QC square is equal 37 r square plus, here for the square root of 3 I am going to put 1.732 plus, sorry, r square, here 3 divided by 4, 0.75 into r square. Okay, by simplifying this one, QC square is equal, by adding all of these things, 37 plus 1.732 plus 0.75 is equal to 39.482 into r square. So I am going to take the square root. QC is equal 6.283 into r. So I am rounding it to 3 decimal places. Okay, this is the finally we are having as the QC. This is the QC is equal to circumferential length. If you take the equation to calculate the circumferential length, circle circumferential length is equal to 25r. What is this value? This value is equal to, if you take the 2 into 5 is equal to 6.283. If you round it to a decimal, 3 decimal places, that is equal to 283 into r. You can see this value is equal to the geometrically constructed value. Okay, geometrically constructed value. Well, let me take this value. Let's check this line length is equal to this value. Here 6.283 into the radius is equal to 35, the 219.9. So let's check the length of geometrically constructed line. You can see that is equal to the approximately equal to the 219.9 millimeters. This is how we are constructing a line equal to the length of a given circle circumferential length.